So welcome back, Beta. Yeah, so we already discussed about all the formulas of exponent. Basically, we explain those formulas uh, which help to solve the questions of exponent. Okay, so now today we'll discuss some. Today consider some problem. Then we discussed how to solve. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. So and summarize the last lecture. We discuss about the formulas like one by one. You have to write one by one beta. So now if we write one, first of all, the first is say x and y be any variable or any number, and if x divided by y whole to the power m, okay, x divided by y whole to the power m is written as x to the power m divided by y to the number 2, x to the power m into x to the power n is equal x to the power m plus n. Means if the bases are same, then we can write x to the power m plus n here. That's too easy. So those are the formulas. So 1, 2, now third. If x to the power m divided by x to the power n, that would be x to the power m minus n. We already discussed now, we already explained why x to the power m divided by x to the power n is x to the power m minus n. Then fourth we discussed uh, x to the power minus n, it would be 1 by x to the power n. Fifth one, any number to the power 0 is always 1. Okay, so any number to the power 0 is always 1. It doesn't matter beta whether the number is a fraction number or a integer value, or it doesn't matter. Okay, so anything to the power 0 is always 1 except 0 to the power 0. चलो ऐसे मजे मजे में पूछ लिया भाई, 0 to the power 0 की वैल्यू बताओ. So it would be not defined. Okay, we are unable to calculate these ones, so it would be not defined. So undefined you can say. So but 0 to the power 0 is not equal to 1. You can say not equal. Then number 6, we already discussed x is divisible, huh? X by y to the power minus n, it would be written as y by x whole to the power. Those are the formulas, and we already discussed, and we know if we put minus here, then totally process are same, but the result is positive. The result is positive or negative totally depend on this n value. If we put minus here, it doesn't matter. What is the difference? The result is either positive or negative. If we put here minus, then the result is either positive or negative. Since the values totally depend on this n, अरे ये n के ऊपर ही डिपेंड करेगी ना, ये वैल्यू पॉजिटिव आएगी कि नेगेटिव आएगी. पिछले वीडियो में मैंने बताया ना अभी कि भाई n अगर इवन है तो कुछ भी कर लो, ये रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव ही आना है. n अगर ऑड, the result would be negative. n even, then it would be positive. n odd, it would be negative. अगर यहाँ पे माइनस, तो लिख देते हैं भाई यहाँ पे 6 7 वाला 7 वाला. So minus x by y to the power minus n, it will be written as y by x minus of n, and totally depends on n. Okay, it will be either positive or negative. If n even, then it will be positive. If n odd number, then it will be negative. So it's clear. Those are the summaries of basically this one is exponent. Huh? So laws of exponent are turned out like this. So those are the formulas, and if you have any problem to understand these one, so better, please concentrate on your study and try to understand. Okay, then it's too easy to solve. Concentrate here. Okay, so now note down this one. So it's better if I again explain these ones with some example. For this, say this one is maybe x by y, if you are imagining 2 by 3 whole to the power 5. So you can write like this: 2 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 5. For this one, number 1. Okay, number 1 for example here. Number 2, if write 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 2, so it would be 2 to the power 4 plus 2. Bases are same, so it will be 2 to the power 6. So you choose this number, you write 2 here for this one. For same example, if you write 2 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 2, that will be 2 to the power 4 minus 2. It will be 2 to the power 2. So the result will be, write the result, or if you write in exponent term, then it is also correct. So you can write like this: 2 to the power 6 here, or you can write 2 to the power 2 also here, or without write, you can convert these into 2 to the power also. So if you write some here, for example, 2 to the power minus 3, so it would be 1 by 2 to the power 3. So it would be 1 by 8. Anything to the power 0, if you put any value, then the result will be, so any value, any number to the power 0 is order 1 meter, except 0 to the power 0 is not defined, it is 1. And x by y to the power minus n is equal y by x to the power n. You can write like this. So now it's very interesting, na? Why? Better if someone asks you, better why? Sir, why anything to the power 0 is 1? प्रूव करके दिखाओ. अरे सर, ये मैथमेटिक्स है ना, एनीथिंग टू दी पावर 0 इज 1, आप तो बता रहे हैं ऐसे, लेकिन मान ले कैसे? मुझे सर नहीं मानना आपकी बात. अब अगर प्रूव करके दिखाओ तो मानेंगे, अगर नहीं प्रूव करके दिखाओगे तो नहीं मानेंगे. तो चलो भाई प्रूव करके दिखाते हैं कि एनीथिंग टू दी पावर 0 इज ऑलवेज 1. ओके, थोड़ी